Okay, so I want to do a director's cut commentary on my favorite shorts, which I will be modeling for you in this video. So just to begin, first ones are Isabel Marant, and I really like this sort of style with a print, silk shorts, looks very retro. I like the print. I've worn this a lot as part of a set. And I don't wear them very much, but I do really like the look of them. Very Hawaiian, and it's just a good basic to have. Next ones are my 1 teaspoon frayed, destroyed edges. These ones are the black ones. I have several of these in 2 sizes because I love them so much, and I never want to be without them. Kind of very trashy cut-off, but I love them. These are my crochet shorts, which I always wear a lot, especially in Ibiza. And I also have these in white, so cream, and black, and they just go with anything. Bodysuits, they're very kind of 60s French retro. You can see my bum through them and everything, so I wouldn't necessarily wear them in the city so much, but I love those shorts. These are my Miu Miu shorts from that infamous collection where they started doing all the cute stuff ages ago, but it was a really famous collection, so I have good memories. And I bought these ones in green and in pink, and I still love them. Pyjama shorts are always one of my faves. These are my Pailette Sequin shorts, which I got in Ibiza. I'll put the brand down below because I'm not sure, but I was so happy to find these because they're perfect. They're very comfortable. The sequins are actually really beautifully embroidered. They're very, very good quality shorts. These are another ones from 1 teaspoon. I think these are the banded or the bonita shorts. I'll put the link down. And I love these shorts. They're my favorite, like white, destroyed. I love the turquoise buttons on them. These are by Calvin Klein, and these are probably my favorite shorts ever. I love the high waist. As you can see, it makes you look very elongated. And these are my go-to favorite denim color, classic, no stretch, just fantastic shorts. CK, I think these were limited edition, but you can find CKs hopefully secondhand, because these are the original kind of shorts, and I had ones just like them when I was young, and you can also wear them, you know, without the double fold. And then these are made in heaven, and I've never been such a big fan of the fits of these shorts, but somehow it speaks to me because it's not too sexy, you know. So when I want something still super short but a bit more understated, maybe I will wear these ones because the fit is not amazing, which makes it look somehow a bit more effortless. So yeah, I really like the color of them too. So those were my favorite shorts. Hope you enjoyed them, and see you soon.